Welcome to Phone Transformer. In today's video, I'll show you how to take HD screenshots on Android step by step. If you're finding this guide helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel for more Android tips and tutorials. Alright, let's get started. Step 1. First, open the exact screen you want to capture. Make sure everything you want in the screenshot is visible and clear on the screen, as this will ensure a high-quality capture. Step 2. Next, press and hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time. You'll need to press both buttons simultaneously and hold them for about a second or two. This is the standard way to take a screenshot on most Android devices. Step 3. After pressing the buttons, you should see a small preview of your screenshot appear in the bottom left corner of your screen. This lets you know the screenshot was successfully captured, and you can tap on the preview if you want to edit or share the screenshot right away. And that's it. You've now taken an HD screenshot on your Android phone. Thanks for watching.